I'm gonna bring these down in volume because I know this is gonna make them go super loud. I mean, that's actually crazy, it's amazing. You don't have to be the best vocalist or the best songwriter to be able to get started on this journey. When I'm recording, I really just like minimal stuff. I just have like CLA and some RVox for compression. Change the width. And then I'm going to filter these vocals here. You could pretty much do that in like 5 or 10 minutes. I've used this one a cappella on many tracks, and it's extremely versatile. So I've chopped it up, and it's in my sampler. I'm going to pitch it up. I'm just going to put Gainstation on, which is this really amazing plugin by Mike Dean. It sounds amazing on 808s, and I really like it on vocals sometimes. Push the clipper up a little bit. Ooh. You have your own unique style and capability to be able to make that into something very special and unique to you.